I'll be talking about humans actually in interactions with humanoid robots. So humanoid robots are robots that have human-like shape. And the idea there is to bring those robots one day to our daily lives as assistants in daycare and elderly care and healthcare. And so in order to do that properly, we need to understand how the human brain processes signals, social signals from those humanoid robots, and that's exactly where my work comes into place, is understanding humans in human-robot interaction. I don't think we should aim at substituting humans and having robots instead of humans in care sort of applications, but more like assistants, and that they're there around us, and actually that would then lead for us to have more quality time with, say, patients on the ward. So the robot can go around and, I don't know, do temperature measurements, for example, these mundane kind of tasks, leaving more time for nurses and caregivers to actually have quality time with the patients.